Carmel Mission, also known as Mission San Carlos Borromeo del Rio Carmelo, is a historic Spanish mission in Carmel-by-the-Sea, California. Founded in 1770 by Junipero Serra, a Spanish Franciscan friar, it's one of the most famous and well-preserved missions in California. The mission is notable for its beautiful architecture, serene gardens, and rich history, attracting visitors from around the world who come to learn about its significance in California's colonial past. The missions in California were a network of religious and military outposts established by Spanish missionaries during the colonization of Alta California in the 18th and early 19th centuries. Led by figures like Junipero Serra, Spanish Franciscan friars played a key role in establishing and managing these 21 missions, stretching from San Diego in the south to Sonoma in the north. Positioned a day's journey apart along El Camino Real, these missions aim to evangelize and convert Native American peoples to Christianity while introducing them to Spanish language, culture, and society. Additionally, they sought to civilize indigenous populations by teaching European agricultural techniques and crafts, thus aiding in Spanish colonization efforts and economic development. Despite their contributions, the mission system had negative impacts, including forced labor and the spread of diseases among indigenous communities. Today, the missions stand as important historic sites, offering insight into California's colonial past and the complex interactions between Spanish settlers and Native American people. Join us as we embark on an immersive journey through history, tracing the footsteps of Spanish missionaries and Native American communities who shaped the cultural landscape of this iconic landmark. From its humble beginnings in the 18th century to its enduring legacy as a symbol of faith and heritage, Carmel Mission invites you to uncover the secrets of the past and marvel at the beauty of its sacred grounds. Let's step back in time and explore the rich tapestry of California's colonial history together.
I think probably like many hundred years old. It's older than this place.
Yeah. Is recognizing and honoring all those who have been supporting the mission over generations. So I would be so grateful if you would let me know if you, or perhaps someone you know, or a member of your family, perhaps have already remembered the parish through time giving, or making every possible effort to enroll all deceased parishioners who have previously given.
You guys.
Therefore, we remain in a position to continue the good work of our family. And we always wish you to join the Carmel Mission. And the complexities and Jesus Christ. New generation.
For no return? For no return?
Future Christians, visitors, and sharing that with people.
Hey, you wanted to change?
Without getting wet.
Yep.
What is this thing? It's a fish too from Lord Kennedy. Oh, yeah, it is. It's a whirlpool.
There's my crown.
Yeah. It's a whirlpool. It is. It's a whirlpool.
Proceed to the next step of beautification. That was enough to make that. To proceed to the next step, they search everything for in his heart. Nice.
That's where he slept.
We hope you've enjoyed immersing yourself in the rich history, stunning architecture, and serene atmosphere of this remarkable place. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the wonders of our world. Thank you again, and goodbye.